Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. Today we are going to discuss two different equations of exponential type equation. Here 3 power x is given to you and we have to find out the value of 3 power 2x minus 1. So the value of 3x it is equals to 6 and 3 power 2x minus 1 we have to find out the value of this expression here. So this is 3 power 2x minus 1. We can write down here 3x to the whole power, because we can write down here this is if x power n power m, which can be written in this form x power n and whole power x power m. So here we have to apply this rule here. This is 3 power x to the whole power 2, and what is the value of 3x? 3 power x it is equals to 6. So this is 6 square minus 1. 6 6 is 36, because we have a power 6. Square means 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36. 36 minus 1 it is equals to 35. So this is the value of this expression, that is 3 power 2x minus 1, where 3 power x is equals to 6 it is given here. So this is the value of this expression. Okay students, now come to the next question here. This is 64x power 3 upon 4 minus 125 equals to 5, and in this equation we have to find out the value of x. So here this equation, that is 3 power 3 over 4 5 plus 120, because we have to shift this minus 120 left hand side to the right hand side here. So this is 64 power 3 over 4, it is equals to, this is 120, it is equals to 125. So that can be written as 3 power 4, that is equals to 125 over 64, because 64 is multiplied with x power 3 upon 4. So when we have to shift this one to the right hand side, it will be changed into the division. So here this is x power 3 upon 4, it is equals to 125 over 64. So here in this question we have to find out the value of x here, but x having the power 3 upon 4, if we have to take out 4 upon 3 power to the both side here, that is 125 over 64, 4 over 3. So here we have to take out, this is power 3 upon 4, so we have to take out the reciprocal of this power on both sides. So if we have the double power here, if we have x power n to the whole power m, that can be written x power n multiplied by m. So we have to apply this rule here. This is 3 over 4 multiplied by 4 over 3. And here this is 125. 125 means 5 power 3. 64 means 4 power 3. And we can write down 4 over 3. So this 3 will cancel out to this one, and this 4 will cancel out to this one. So the value of x it is equals to, this is 125 means 5 power 3. That means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, it will be equals to 125. That means 125 can be written 5 power 3. That is equals to 125. Similarly, this is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, that is equals to 64. So that means 4 power 3 it is equals to 64. So here we can write down this one, 5 over 4 to the whole power 3. This is here. And now again we have to apply this rule on this step here, that is 5 upon 4. This is 3 multiplied by 4 over 3. So this 3 will cancel out to this one, and this is 5 over 4 to the whole power 4. This is the value of x of this exponential type equation. Dear students, thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Irfat. Allah Hafiz.